Who said Goans cannot do anything? Goans can do everything if they want to. Instead of selling land to non-Goans, sell them to the Goans and see what they can do. This is a farm done by a Goan. This has all been cultivated by a Goan who is the son of Goa and he is from Goa. A friend of mine has taken over this, and as we see all these plantations, he has done it here. We are standing in a place in Valpoi, Satari, place known as Ure, where he bought this farm, which was a totally a wild jungle. He worked so hard. He created all this. Today the farm is sprouting with all these mango trees, as you can see. This plantation, plus we have some more things down to show where he has put up his animal husbandry, where cows' milk is produced. Plenty. It is we Goans who do not want to do anything. We just stick to going abroad or try to look for some easy jobs. My friend works very hard. He works so hard that he has given his complete life for this farm. Not only this, he personally works, toils himself watering the plants, even though there are laborers. He checks everything, the trees, fruits, and initially there's an expenditure is there, no doubt. You have to put in money, you have to invest. But now the time has come that the goods come in. It's the time to earn. We'll show you more as we go ahead in the farm. This is at Ure Satari. And this is a Goan friend of mine who has done all this. In Dongulni, which is in Satari, in a place known as Ure, close to Valpoi. Here, he has spent his life. From the scratch, he has created all these things as we see around all these mangoes. There are many other different types of fruit, like including he has planted avocado, dates. There's nothing that he has not done. And we'll show you more ahead.
कळलं हे उदक बरें कळलं येते कॅटल हे न्हू मेज न्हू
So what now? This shade I'm be putting for the trees. हांगा हाडून दवरला आहे सगळे झाडां
हे सगळे सारे आणि हे सगळे गोरवांक हे गोरवांक सगळे
दिस इज फॉडर
गोरवांचें जेवण
येस
कोण सांगता गोंयकारां कडेन हें जायना करूंक म्हणून गोंयकार करूंक वचत सगलें जाता जोर तर म्हजो इश्ट करूंक शकता इतलें करूंक शकता हांगासर ह्या दोंगरार कांय नासलें थंयसर जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळे गोंयकार हें करूंक शकता म्हणून दुबाव नासतना फकत आमकां मोन आसूंक जाय इतेसांव आसूंक जाय आमी कोत्तेलेच म्हूण निचो घेवंक जाय पयशे कशेय येता पयशांची गरज आसा ना न्हू पूण लोन मेवता सगळें मेवता भायरूच धांवल्यार जायना जर तर आमच्यान जाता जाल्यार आमच्यांनी गोंयांत रावन वयर सरोंक जाता ह्या म्हज्या इश्टान जाका तुमी पळयला आसतलो हाचेर फाटल्या क्लिपांनी ताणें हें सगळें कांयच नासलें हांगासर हांव येतालो केन्नाय ताचे बरोबर सगळें बेश्टें रान आनी झाडां आसलीं आयज पळय जामांचीं झाडां हीं जामांचीं झाडां आनी पळय बोरां आनी कितें म्हणून आसतना फ्रुटांच्या पोंतान स्टार फ्रूट आनी कितें म्हणनासतना सगळें ताणें रोयलां आनी आयज हें फार्म भरलां फ्रुटांनी आनी थंय हांगासर तो भाजीपालो रोयता वेजिटेबल लायक लेडीज फिंगर्स भेंडे म्हणून आसतना बरे क्वॉलिटीचे भेंडे जर तर एक आमचो गोंयकार अशें करूंक शकता जाल्यार कित्याक आमच्यांनी दुसऱ्यांच्यांनी जायना एका तेंपार आमचे सगळे गोंयकार शेतकामतेपण करून पयर सरले फुडें सरल्या आपलें पोट भरलां हांव म्हणटा आनी सदांच म्हणटा गोंयकारांनी जे गोंय आसा चड करून भायर गेले ते गेलेच आता जे पळय कोण गोंय आसा असले सुवात्यो घ्या, जागे घ्या, भायल्यांक दिलेले पाडे तुमी घेयात आनी अशी उत्पत्ती करात आनी दाखयत आमी गोंयकारूय हें करूंक शकता म्हणून. कित्याक एक जर करूंक शकता जाल्यार आमी सगळेच करूंक शकता. ही आमची चूक आमी भायर गेल्या ती.
Sweet tamarind, sour sop, which is used for cancer, na? Sour sop, abiyu, then snake fruit. I've got about 15 different foreign fruits.